Hello! Today, I will show you how to use the Iterator Tool feature in BitFlows to process lists of data. The Iterator Tool in BitFlows is a dynamic and powerful feature that helps process lists of data by breaking them into individual items and handling them one at a time. This tutorial, we explains how to use the Iterator Tool in a workflow. We will use WooCommerce on New Order Create as the trigger node and show how to send each line item of the created order as a separate entry to Google Sheets. So first navigate to the Flows page. If you don't have Create any flow yet, simply click on the Create Flow button to create a new flow. Here, enter a name for your flow, then click on the Create button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new flow. Your newly created flow will now be displayed like this. Now we will add the WooCommerce on New Order Create as a trigger from the drop-down options. You need to install WooCommerce to integrate with Flow. The setup guide link can be found in the description below. Now I am creating a new order for a testing response from WooCommerce. After creating the response will look like this, and those data are available for in the next flow as a variable to map data. You have successfully added a WooCommerce on New Order Create trigger to your flow. Now go to the Tools section, where you will find different types of tools are available. Now drag and drop the Iterator Tool into your workflow. Then connect WooCommerce with the Iterator Tool. After connecting the Iterator Tool with the trigger, you need to configure the Iterator Tool. The iterator essentially runs a loop through an array. This tutorial, I will use WooCommerce Order Create line items as an array. So click on the iterator icon and select line_items as an array. The Iterator Tool feature also offers advanced options, allowing you to specify the iteration start from value and set the maximum number of iterations. Next, close the Iterator tab. Now you need to add an action after the Iterator node. To do this, simply click the plus icon and select your desired action from the drop-down options. Now choose Google Sheets as an action. How to add Google Sheets as an action to your flow. You will find Google Sheets setup guide link in the description below. Now I am mapping Iterator data from the Google Sheet action, but the Iterator data is not showing up in the Google Sheet action. So close the Action tab and click on the Test Flow Once button. Then create a new order to trigger a test response from WooCommerce. Once the response is successfully triggered, the Iterator data will appear in the Google Sheets action. Now, I am mapping fields from the response to the Google Sheet. Once you have completed all the setup, click the Test Flow Once button to run a test, and let's create a new order for verification. After creating an order, return to the BitFlows section, then click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Log section, you can verify that your order creating data has been successfully captured and recorded in the Google Sheets. Now go to your Google Sheets. Here, you can see that your order creating data has been successfully added to the Google Sheets. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.